In this video, I will show you how to join the Gate.io affiliate program and become an affiliate on Gate.io. First, open your Gate.io app and navigate to the Home tab. From there, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Next, click the arrow at the top right beside Profile and Settings. At the bottom of this menu, just above Switch Account, you'll find the Affiliate Program option. Tap on it. This will take you to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you can simply tap the icon in the bottom left corner to copy your referral link to the clipboard. You can share this link anywhere you like to refer others. When someone signs up using your link, you can earn a 40% commission, with potential rewards of up to 500 USDT. Alternatively, you can tap the blue Invite Friends button to share the link directly via popular social media platforms. As you can see, the process is simple and user-friendly. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.